Good morning, friends. Happy Vinayak Chaturthi to all of you. Today, let me take the opportunity to explain you the weekly option strategies. You can create and passive income by these strategies. There are 3 spectacular strategies I am going to teach you this week. In my last videos, I have already taught you the monthly option strategies. Unlike monthly options, there are some limitations in the weeklies. The first limitation is the risk. Risk is little higher since the gamma impact is more compared to the monthly options. That's the reason you must take only one lot or max to max 2 lots for weekly options, not more than that. During this COVID-19 situation, almost every individual is suffering from a financial problem. Either they have got a salary cut in their company or business might not be running very good. So to address all these problems in terms of financial issues, why don't you try weekly options as a passive income generation tool to generate some additional income which can replenish the shortfall of your earlier income. The magic of the weekly option is you can rotate your capital 4 times in a month. It means if you have a 1 lakh of capital, if your target to earn 2 or 3% from monthly options, and you can reduce it down to 1% per week, and in 4 times you can earn 1% into 4, which is 4% per month. It means that you are increasing your percentage of return or return of investment. Soon I will be explaining you the strategy setup, the risk, the return, the capital deployed, everything. In the number 1, we have ITM calendar diagonal spread in weekly options. In the number 2, we have dynamic iron condor. And in the number 3, we have OTM ratio spread for call options and put option together. Just name and setup of these strategies are not enough for you to learn. The main learning is to the trade management, which I will be telling you during the video. Keep patience, keep learning, focus on the video what I am trying to tell you. Don't miss any points, whatever I am going to teach you during the video. And see it till the end. And if you think that you are enjoying these videos, don't forget to subscribe this channel. And don't forget to hit the bell button, else you will not be able to see my next videos whenever I am uploading it. My assurance to you, I will be uploading video once or twice in a week or max to max thrice in a week, which will help you in enhancing your knowledge in option world. I am sure you will be able to trade on your own if you learn everything thoroughly from these videos. Let me discuss with you all these 3 strategies one by one. So in the number 1, I am going to discuss with you the weekly strategy called ITM diagonal calendar spread. The structure of this strategy is I am going to buy one ITM call option of the far week. So today's date is 22nd August and Nifty is trading around 11,370. So for me, ITM call option will be 11,300 and then far week strike will be September 3rd strike. So September 3rd strike of 11,300 I am going to buy. This is call options, and at the same time I am going to sell 11,400, and that means ATM call option of the current week. And this I am going to buy twice the quantity of my bought options. To hedge this strategy, again I need to buy one call options of far out of the money. So I am going to buy 11,000 900 or 11,000. So 12,000 would be the better. If I buy this option, the FAR OTM option, I can reduce my margin to great extent. It is now 78,000 per this setup. So that is the magic of this buying a FAR OTM option to hedge the entire strategy. I request everyone, just don't sell any naked options after this SEBI's new rule, because when you buy a small portion of option also far out of the money, it will give you a leverage in the margin. So now my basic strategy is being structured. Now with that, I am going to add one more leg here, which is 11,450 call option I am going to buy for this week expiry. I am going to sell to 11,550 call, and I am going to buy again 11,800 call. Let me see how this structure looks like in the payoff diagram. See, now your total margin requirement is 1.20 lakhs. So as you can see, the structure looks like a peak in the center. The break even would be here 11,150 to 11,550. So the range getting widened since I have added one more legs into the strategy. Let me give you a complete structure of the whole strategy. I bought 11,300 call option of 3rd September. I sold two lot of 11,400 call of 27th August. This I have hedged with 12,000 call of 27th August. This is my first leg of the strategy. And in the second leg of the strategy, I bought 11,450 call. I sold 11,550 call of the same expiry, double the quantity, and to hedge this, I again bought 11,800 call option of 27th August. As you can see in the center, the maximum profit potential would be around 7,000. Your total investment is only the margin required amount is 1.2 lakhs. So if you want to exit this trade, this is the 1 week trade only, it will exist only for 5 to 6 days. If you stay in this trade for 3 days at least, you can easily make 2,000 to 3,000 rupees profit. That means it is quite close to 2% to 2.5% in a week. And in a month, if you club it together, if you go on doing this trade week after week, you can accumulate the profit up to 8 to 9% per month. That is the good thing in the weekly options. The return of the investment or return of the capital is huge, since you are able to rotate your capital frequently on and on. The downside risk is not that much, it's very negligible, but the upside there is risk after 11,550. If Nifty crosses 11,550 within 3 days, you need to monitor and manage the trade, or you need to exit as a stop loss. But very few occasions Nifty will act so violently in any side of the movement, any side of the market. In the number 2 strategy, I am going to discuss with you called Dynamic Iron Condor strategy, in which I am going to sell little out of the money call options and put option together. So Nifty is around 11,300. So that the same expiry, I am going to sell 11,200 put option, and I am going to sell 11,500 call option. And to hedge these two naked option, I am going to buy 10,900 put option, and I am going to buy 11,800 call option. Just little correction here. Yeah. So I repeat, I sold 11,200 put option. I hedged this leg with 10,900 put options. I sold 11,500 call option. To hedge this leg, I have bought 11,800 call option. So now let us look at the payoff diagram. You can see within the range of 11,150 to 11,550 we can materialize the profit of around 4,000 rupees. Nothing will happen wrong if Nifty expires within this range. If Nifty cross any of these 2 points of break even, then we need to monitor, we need to manage the trade by buying call option or put option depending on the scenario. But normally Nifty doesn't look so, doesn't act so violently in any of the sides week after week. In 1 or 2 weeks it may move violently, but those times we may have to manage the trade actively with buying options. To structure these positions, the total capital requirement is only 52,000, as you can see in the screen. Maximum loss will be 18,000, but we will not wait till 18,000 to happen. If anything goes violently wrong, we will exit the trade quite before as a stop loss. Similarly, we will not wait to materialize the whole 4,000 rupees profit till the expiry. We will exit the trade quite before that, after taking 2% to 5% from this trade, which is 2,000 rupees almost. 2,000 rupees is also more, it's 4%. We can exit the trade around 1,500 rupees. So that is the magic of this dynamic iron condor trade. Why this strategy is called dynamic iron condor and not the normal iron condor? Because if you see, this margin requirement is only 50,000 here. So I have kept the rest of the 50,000 in my hand to manage the trade if Nifty goes violently in any of the direction, whether it will be in the upside or it will be in the downside. To manage this trade, I have to convert this strategy into bag ratio spread or butterfly spread. So if I see that any movement of Nifty goes towards its break even, then immediately I have to take the next strategy to manage the trade. For that purpose, I am always keeping another 50,000 for trade management purpose. So none of the other business can give you this much return in such a short period. There is some ups and downs, but the final thing that you will remain profitable if you follow some rules like keeping 50% money into the particular setup and keep the 50% for management. Try to exit the trade with the 50% of the total profit or total credit received. In this case, it is 2,000, 1,500 to 2,000 rupees. You will be able to manage any sort of uneven circumstances in this trading setup. Number 3 strategy, what I am going to discuss with you is OTM ratio spread in call option and put option both together. To construct this strategy, let me give you one example. Now Nifty is trading around 11,370. So how I am going to construct this strategy, let me show you. I am going to buy one option of 11,300 put, buy one 11,400 call. To receive this premium back, I am going to sell double the quantity of 11,150 put and 11,500 double the quantity of call. So that's how I can construct the double ATM ratio spread in both the directions. So that means If Nifty moves any of this direction, either in the downside or the upside, we'll be able to receive premium, we'll be able to generate profit. Just I want to add one more leg to hedge because SEBI has passed a new rule that naked option will attract more margin. So just in the sake of getting benefit of the margin, I am just buying one option far out of the money, which is 10,500 put and 11,800 call. Now the margin requirement has drastically come down to 87,000. So this is my last strategy what I am going to explain you for the weekly option. Now Nifty, there is a very less probability Nifty expands on 11,370. Either it moves little bit in downwards or it will move little bit on the upward. To any side it will move, it will expand within 4 to 5 days, it will generate you very nice profit. As you can see, if I am taking this cursor towards the expiry, see in the center the blue line, this will give you profit of around 1,200 to 1,300 rupees, which means that I am only investing 87,000 and I am getting 1,300 rupees, close to 1.5%. If you wait for one more day, just one day before expiry, if you square off any of this side, you'll be able to get profit around 2,000 rupees max. So again, what I'm trying to make you understand is, in the weekly option you can rotate your money 4 times in a month, and if you can exit your trade with 1.5% or even 2%, you'll be able to accumulate 8% in a month, which is a very good income for a passive income earner. Don't underestimate that 1% in a week is a small amount. So like that, if you go on doing this week after week, the yearly profit will be quite high. You cannot imagine how much you can accumulate in a year. There is a little adjustment in this side, in both the side rather say. In 11,000 is the break even and 11,600 is a wide range. But if Nifty moves any of these two directions beyond that limit, you should have at least 30 to 40,000 reserve surplus to manage this trade. You need to convert this trade into either butterfly or back ratio spread. Unlike monthly options, the risk in the weekly option is little high due to the gamma impact. So you should not go out to take the more quantities at the initial stage itself. Try to start with 1 or 2 lots initially and enhance your expectations, and then you start doing the real trade. I hope you have all enjoyed my video. If you think that it's creating value in your existing trading style, please subscribe it and forward it to your friend. I will be publishing some more videos in near future to make you aware how option market is really working in the industry and how you can make profit out of it. Till then, keep trading, keep generating income, keep selling options, keep earning profit. Thank you.